सेंट्रल लेबर कोड, rationalization of labor's law. Now इसका context and objective. What is the context and objective of these the labor reforms? Historic reform. The central government has implemented 4 new labor codes, consolidating, rationalizing 29 existing central labor laws. Its objective, dual objective: ease of doing business and workers and welfare by streamlining compliance and reducing regulatory complexity and modernizing outdated provisions. Workers welfare by strengthening rights, universalizing social security, and ensuring better working condition. Focus areas. What are the focus areas? The four codes cover the key facets of employment: wages, industrial relation, social security, and occupation safety and health. Wages, industrial relation, social security, occupation, occupation safety and health. Uh, Code wise key provisions and impact. Labor code on wages 2019. Subsumed laws. 4 act: minimum wages, payment of wages, bonus, equal remuneration. Key provisions of worker and industry union. Universal minimum wages. Establish a statutory right to minimum wages for all employee across both the organized sector. Non-discrimination: employees shall not discriminated based on gender, including transgender identity, in the recruitment or payment of wages. Timely payment. Provisions for timely payment and preventing unauthorized deduction apply to all employees irrespective of wages limit. Now, the Industrial Relation Code 2023 acts: trade union standing order and industrial dispute. Fixed term employment FTE, legally recognized FTE, ensuring fully parity in wages and benefits with permanent employees. Gratuity eligibility for FTE reduced to 1 year of service. Layoff closure threshold. The requirement for prior government approval for layoff, retrenchment, or closure has been raised from 100 to 300 workers. A state may enhance the limit further. Expanded worker definition. The definition of worker is expanded to include sales, promotion staff, generalist, and supervisor employees earning up to 18,000 per month. Code on Social Security 2020. 9 Labor Act employ inclusion of gig platform worker, extended social insecurity coverage gig and platform worker. 2020 Labor Code subsumed laws, compensation, maternity benefits. In third, the first time ensuring they receive benefits like employees state insurance, provident fund, expanded ESI coverage. The employee state employees cooperation scheme now that applies pan India, removing the previous criteria of notified areas aggregator contribution. Mandatory health checkups, 1 to 2% of their annual. Mandatory health checkup employers must provide all worker above the age of 40. Occupational health safety health working condition 2024. 13 Labor Act. 13 Labor Act. Factories Act, Mine Act, Plantation Labor Act. Mandatory health checkup, free annual health checkup, safety for hazardous work. Government can extend code provisions to any establishment even with only one employee engaged in hazardous or life-threatening occupation. Women's empowerment. Women are permitted to work in night shift and in all type of work including underground mining and heavy machinery subject to their consent and mandatory safety measures. Now coming to MCQs. Give me 1 minute. MCQs. The 4 central labor code implemented by the government of India rationalize how many existing labor laws. 13, 16 or 29. So the 4 new central labor code implemented by the government to rationalize how many existing labor laws. तो it's 29 जो कि टॉपिक ही हमारा 29 एग्जिस्टिंग लेबर लॉज को ये अफेक्ट करेगा, ठीक है। तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज अ की प्रोविजन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द कोड ऑन सोशल सिक्योरिटी 2020 फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम। Which among the following is a key provision introduced by the Code of Social Security 2020 for the first time? तो मैंडेटरी फी एनुअल सोशल सिक्योरिटी कवरेज फॉर गीग प्लेटफॉर्म वर्कर, कोड ऑफ सोशल, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा सी, कोड ऑफ सोशल सिक्योरिटी 2020। तो कोड ऑफ ये रहा हमारा कोड ऑफ, जो फोर्थ वाला पढ़े थे, कोड ऑफ सोशल सिक्योरिटी 2020, तो इसके ऊपर है कोड ऑफ सोशल सिक्योरिटी 2020। तो इंक्लूजन ऑफ गीग प्लेटफॉर्म वर्कर extend social security coverage to gig platform worker for the first time, ensuring they receive benefits like employees, जो भी है सब कुछ मिलेगा उसको। now third question, under the industrial relation code 2020, the under the industrial relation code 2020, तो इन 2020 इंडस्ट्रियल, ये वाला सेकेंड वाला जो इंडस्ट्रियल रिलेशन कोड 2020, इसके बारे में बोल रहा है कि the threshold for establishments requiring prior government approval for layoff or retrenchment has been raised from 100 workers से 300 वर्कर्स हो गया, 100 से 300 वर्कर्स हो गया, जो कि यहाँ पे भी देखे थे 100 से 300 वर्कर्स हो गया, रेज टू 100 से 300 वर्कर्स। Now coming to fourth, the code on wages 2019, code of wages 2019, तो कोड ऑफ वेजेस 2019, कोड ऑफ वेजेस 2019 इसके बारे में बोल रहा है। कोड ऑफ वेजेस 2019 प्राइमरली सब्ज्यूम्स ऑल द फॉलोइंग एक्ट एक्सेप्ट दी व्हाट, तो किसके बारे में नहीं, पेमेंट ऑफ वेजेस 1936, 48, एम्प्लॉय कंपनसेशन 1923, तो सी हो जाएगा। अब इसको देख ले, कोड ऑफ वेजेस 2019, तो कोड ऑफ वेजेस 2019 किसके बारे में बोला, तो किसके बारे में, पेमेंट मिनिमम वेज, पेमेंट ऑफ वेज, मिनिमम वेज, पेमेंट ऑफ वेज, बोनस इक्वल, मिनिमम वेज हो गया, पेमेंट ऑफ वेज हो गया, बोनस इक्वल न्यूमरेशन, बोनस इक्वल न्यूमरेशन, बोनस इक्वल न्यूमरेशन, तो पेमेंट ऑफ वेज है, मिनिमम वेज एंड बोनस ऑफ इक्वल न्यूमरेशन, तो ये तीनों तो होगा। तो यहाँ बोला एक्सेप्ट किसके, एम्प्लॉयज़ कंपनसेशन के, विच कोड मैंडेट्स एम्प्लॉयर्स टू प्रोवाइड द फ्री एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप फॉर वर्कर्स एबव स्पेसिफाइड एज, तो ऑक्यूपेशन सेफ्टी हेल्थ एंड वर्किंग कंडीशन कोड 2020 ये वाला है, ऑक्यूपेशन हेल्थ एंड वर्किंग कंडीशन कोड 2020 OSHWC, ये हो जाएगा इसका आंसर।